good, dolls? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. As you guys can see from the title down below, today is going to be a Louis Vuitton unboxing and review. I've already used this item, so I could tell you 100% what do I think, is it worth the hype? You know what I'm saying? Make sure you guys go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below and click the bell next to it to get a notification every time your girl does upload. This way you guys won't miss out on any of my videos. So today we'll be unboxing this bag right here. It looks bigger than what actually is inside because there is a box. And I just got done doing an initial review and unboxing on this item right here. So if you guys want to go ahead and check that video out, it will be linked down below once it is live on the YouTube channel. So I went to Las Vegas. And of course, when in Vegas, you gotta hit up Louis Vuitton. I went to the Aria Hotel, just looking at my receipt here so I can tell you guys. So I did my shopping at the Las Vegas City Center, the Shops at Crystals, which is basically inside of the Aria Hotel. This is probably my favorite Louis Vuitton just because it's 4 freaking stores. 4 freaking stores, and it is just full of so many amazing things. They pretty much have everything in stock. And with this item right here, which you guys will see in the title somewhere, you already pretty much know what it is, especially if you guys follow me on Instagram. I actually did a poll on my Twitter asking if I should go ahead and get Gucci slides or Louis slides. And honestly, everyone said Gucci slides, so I did go to Gucci. Okay, there was one pair of slides that I really liked, and Gucci slides are a little bit less expensive than Louis Vuitton slides. So I was like, okay. So I was with my girl and we were like, okay, let's go into Gucci and see if they have this item. And it turns out they were sold out, which was perfect because I am a Louis Vuitton girl at heart. So I went ahead and went into Louis Vuitton and I went to the men's section. These are men's slides, men's sandals. So if you are looking for these online, make sure you go to the men's tab and search for them there. We love menswear. Menswear is so much cuter than women's clothes sometimes. I just don't understand. Like, can we get the plug, please? So my item came in this beautiful box. Rose definitely packaged it really well for me. And it just slides out here at the bottom like a shoebox. I love these boxes. They make really cute home decor, so I would recommend keeping them. So inside my big shoebox are the dust bag. Because Louis Vuitton's a little bougie, each slide comes with their own dust bag, which is great. You definitely want to hold on to these. Now, I got these shoes to wear every day, okay? Like, these are everyday essential shoes. I live in my Adidas slides, so I thought it was time to go ahead and commit to something designer, something of luxury, something that I knew that would go with my wardrobe. So I did fall in love with Louis Vuitton slides. Like I said, I'm just a Louis girl at heart. Let me know if you guys are Gucci gang or Louis gang in the comments down below. Let me stop rambling so I can go ahead and show you dolls what these slides look like. So the dust bag just has a little flip, just so you guys know it says Louis Vuitton on each one. And I love this. It's such an experience. Bam! Look at that beauty. Oh my god, these are everything. Design-wise, they pretty much are an Adidas slide with Louis Vuitton slapped on it, okay? So these are the Macassar print. Now, this does feature the monogram canvas with black detail. It also comes in white and black. You could also get this with like a duo color on the canvas, okay? So it's one piece of canvas wrapped all the way around the top. And then on the bottom of this shoe, it's all rubber sole, okay? Nothing special. It's just designer. It's a rubber sole, a rubber slide. It is what it is, you know? But it is kind of engraved with LV here on the bottom, which I like that it's not just like a hot stamp of LV because you know it won't rub off. It's nice that it has this like textured rubber sole because I feel like you won't slip and slide if you're walking on carpet or anything like that. Even if you want to use this as a pool shoe, I think you'll be good, but I'll get to that in a second why I don't want to wear this as a pool or beach shoe, okay? So stand by. But it also does feature another LV engraved in the sole with Made in Italy here at the bottom. Show you guys the other one so we don't just have one shoe here. Looking at the canvas, it's such a beautiful cut. Like I said, it's just one piece wrapped around the front, and I love the fact that this has LV on the monogram right in the middle. Okay, I really wanted to analyze my slide to make sure it was exactly what I wanted. So size-wise, I'll tell you, because these are men's shoes, I got the second to the smallest size, which they're actually pretty much sold out online, so definitely go into your boutique. I got a size 6, okay? So the smallest size they make in this is a 5. So you definitely want to go in and try them out. I would say they are a little bit wide right here. So if you are like me and you don't care and you wear socks with your slides, that's great because there's a lot of room here, and I pretty much do have a wide foot, and because they are men's shoe, they're going to be a little bit looser, a little bit bigger, but size-wise and length, they fit perfectly, and I am a women's 8.5/9 depending on the shoe. And these bad boys retail for $5.35 currently on the Louis Vuitton website, and as we know, Louis Vuitton likes to do price increases a couple times out of the year, so I just snatched these right now. But the reason why I don't want to wear these as a pool shoe or beach shoe is because this is canvas, okay? Although this is a rubber sole, it's waterproof, it is, but when you get to the canvas, it really shouldn't be wet. It does come with a textile book here in the box, but I've had enough Louis Vuitton in my lifetime to know that you shouldn't get your canvas wet because it can start to crack and dry out the canvas. So for me, when I say a slide is an everyday shoe, it's a house shoe that I'm gonna wear to the trash chute, to go pick up mail, to go pick up Starbucks, to run my errands around the day, to wear with sweats. So it is an everyday shoe that's gonna see its use. But when it comes to a vacation shoe by the pool, that's just not my style, not my vibe. I can stick to my Adidas for that. But quality-wise, these are definitely amazing. If you are looking for something of luxury, but you don't want to commit to a handbag that might retail for a couple $1,000s, but you still want to get something of luxury for yourself, I think that getting a cute sandal like this is definitely going to be a great bang for your buck because you're going to wear them a lot. You know, most people wear slides on a daily because they're very in style right now, and they're very simple. It's just the Louis Vuitton monogram. So if you do have other Louis Vuitton pieces, it's a nice addition to your look. And sometimes I will have to admit I look a little crazy because I'll walk out the house with my Speedy and then I have my keys in my hand with my key ring holder and my wallet attached. So it's a little much sometimes, but I'm a little extra anyway, so I don't mind it. But I do love and enjoy the fact that all of my items are monogram and they do go very nicely together. It's just a look, it's a vibe, and I'm here for it. So I'm putting these back in the box. I don't know why, because I'm gonna wear these around the house while I cook dinner. Like, I'm extra, okay? I spent my money on these. I will get my use. Do I recommend spending your money on designer slides? I do, 100%. If you're that person, then do it. If you don't like designer, then stick to your Adidas or your Pumas. Those work great as well for me, but I do love and appreciate a little Louis in my life, you know? I heard this beautiful, beautiful quote, you know, one time. Flowers say I'm sorry, but Louis Vuitton says I love you. So give these as a gift to your woman in your life or your man, okay? Hook them up with some slides that are designer and they will appreciate them. I still don't know if I'm gonna get a pair of Gucci slides because I'm quite obsessed with these and I think they will definitely replace my Pumas. I might put my Pumas on my Poshmark because they are a little too big for me and I don't really see myself wearing them because these are now in my life. So if you guys want me to list those, let me know in the comments down below. But overall, do I recommend that you get these? 100,000 million bajillion % yes. If you are a designer person and if you want to break yourself into the designer market with your first item, this would be a great starting item, I would definitely say, especially for springtime and summer, and a shoe that you know you will wear every single day. I was a little iffy at first about designer shoes because at the end of the day, you're walking on the ground. You know, they're gonna get gross. It's not like investing in a handbag, you know, where you can take care of it and you know what you're stepping in, you know? And honestly, I was a little hesitant about buying my first pair of designer shoes just because I didn't know how I felt about them. But when it came down to it, a slide is an essential. Super comfortable to walk in, I have to say, and they look good. You look a little bougie, okay? People will look at your feet, so make sure your toes is did. If not, throw on the socks with the slides. It's still a vibe, it's still a look, okay? So yes, that just about wraps up my overall unboxing and review on the Waterfront Mules. I did not say the style of this shoe, but that is indeed what they are called. Like I said, they come in several other styles when it comes down to the canvas color, but they're pretty much all of the same. So definitely recommend picking them up. If you guys enjoyed today's video, be sure to hit the thumbs up. It really helps me out here on YouTube. Of course, don't forget to subscribe, and you guys can find me over on Instagram and Twitter at @KDoll. I post so much stuff. I'm always interacting with you guys when I'm not here on youtube.com, so check it out. And until next time, I will see you dolls in my next video. Bye! Ew.